Hello friends, welcome to the ServiceNow world, and today we'll see part 10 of ServiceNow developer interview series. So without any delay, let's go to the first question. And the first question is, what is the use of is template in client script? So it provides a boolean value true if the change on the field is happened due to a template. Next question, let's say I'm having one string, the ServiceNow with having some few spaces, and I want to remove extra spaces which is in a string. How we can do that? So for that we'll use the trim function. So what trim function basically do, it will remove all the extra spaces from your string. Next question, what is notification email script? So notification email scripts are server-side script which is embedded to emails to provide dynamic values in the mail. So not the dynamic values, as well the functionality as well. Let's say the most common use case is that, like let's say if you want to put in some user in CC or BCC, so that in that case we need to use the notification email script only. Now move to the next question. What are cleanup scripts and how to use them? So if you mention in your resume like you have worked on ServiceNow upgrade, so that time they will ask this type of question, like what are cleanup scripts and how to use them. So you just say cleanup scripts are the server side script and responsible to handle the post clone execution which is needed to repair the data or clean up the data. For example, when we doing cloning from prod to UAT, so there is some table which contains confidential information which needs to be removed in UAT environment. Thus with the cleanup scripts we can either delete it or just remove the column containing it. And the one common use case is that, like let's say you having some connection string in the production, and you don't want to replicate the same connection string in your UAT environment. So in that case also we will use the cleanup script only. Yeah. So fifth question is how to hide UI action for few tables. So we need to, for hiding the UI action, we need to add a condition like current dot get table name not equal to and their table name. So whatever the table name will put here, for that particular table name, that UI action will not be visible. So sometimes, like when you say like you have worked on integration, so the interviewer definitely they will ask, most of the times they will ask this question like which is more secure, REST or SOAP. So you can say that both are secure because they are using the HTTPS and basic authentication header, but SOAP is somewhat more secure than REST because SOAP have WS security module which gives more improved security, like XML signature, XML encryption, etc. And many more are there. Like you have to go through the go to the community or documentation, you will get to know why this SOAP is more secure than REST. In the last video I have asked like what are the stages of discovery. So mainly there are 4 stages of discovery are there: the port scanning, classification, identification and exploration. So there might be possibilities that like interviewer will ask one of them the stages, like what is this, what is port scanning, what is classification. So you have just to see the definitions as well, or if you work not discovery, then you don't have to worry. Yeah, so the today's question is what is scratchpad. So if you know the answer, please write in the comment box. I will give the answer in the next video. Till that time, thank you. God bless you all.